Have you ever noticed how some people seem to glow with energy and it feels like they've cracked the code to staying healthy? You might wonder, what's their secret? Well, today I'll show you how to create that glow for yourself without impossible gym routines or rigid diets. Trust me, these are habits you'll actually want to stick with. It's all about small, manageable changes that fit into your lifestyle and snowball into massive benefits, ready to transform your routine and feel your best. Let's get started. First up is staying hydrated. Picture this, you're halfway through your day feeling groggy and unfocused. What if I told you that the simple act of staying hydrated could instantly clear your mind? Water isn't just water, it's your energy booster, skin revitalizer, and digestion helper. It's so easy, yet most of us overlook it. Drinking enough water is crucial for your health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, or try carrying a reusable water bottle to keep track. If plain water isn't your thing, infuse it with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries for added flavor and nutrients. Try this. Download a hydration app or set quirky alarms on your phone to remind you to drink water. Trust me, your body and your skin will thank you. Next, move more. Feeling breathless just from climbing a flight of stairs? Movement shouldn't feel like a chore. It should make you feel alive and energized. And here's the good news, you don't need a gym membership to stay active. Just aim for 30 minutes of moderate activity most days. This could be as simple as taking a brisk walk during your lunch break, dancing around your living room, or choosing the stairs instead of the elevator. Remember, every little bit counts. Incorporating movement into your daily routine can improve cardiovascular health and boost your mood. To make it more fun, consider finding a workout buddy or trying out new activities like yoga or cycling. The key is to find something you enjoy so that it doesn't feel like a chore. Now, let's bring some color to your meals. Did you know that adding a variety of fruits and vegetables doesn't just make your plate Instagram worthy? It floods your body with essential vitamins and keeps you full longer due to their high fiber content. Try to fill half your plate with colorful veggies at every meal. If you're not a fan of raw veggies, try roasting them with some olive oil and spices or blend into a smoothie for a delicious twist. And challenge yourself to try one new fruit or vegetable each week. Who knows, you might discover a new favorite. Another important habit is practicing mindful eating. Ever find yourself finishing a whole meal while barely remembering you ate? We've all been there. Mindful eating is about slowing down and truly savoring each bite, and trust me, your body will thank you for it. This means turning off distractions like your phone or TV during meals and really focusing on what you're eating. Take the time to savor each bite and listen to your body's hunger cues. This practice can help prevent overeating and enhance your enjoyment of food. To get started, try putting away all devices during meals for just 1 week. You may find that you appreciate your food more and feel more satisfied afterward. Let's not forget about sleep. Think of it as your body's nightly reset button. Skipping it is like leaving your phone uncharged. You wouldn't do that, would you? Sleep isn't just rest, it's the backbone of your health. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can affect everything from your mood to your metabolism. Create a calming bedtime routine, like reading a book or meditating, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Or better yet, transform your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. Dim the lights, keep the room cool, and banish screens at least an hour before bed. Additionally, try setting a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Remember, good sleep is essential for your overall health. Consider starting a journal. Have you ever felt like your mind is running 100 miles an hour, cluttered with to-do lists and worries? Starting a journal can be a game changer. Imagine having a space where you can offload all that mental chatter and reflect on what truly matters. Journaling isn't just for poets or deep thinkers, it's for anyone looking to declutter their mind and make sense of their emotions. Writing down your thoughts helps you process feelings, clear mental blocks, and even set powerful goals for your future. Start small. Each night, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. You'll be amazed at how this simple practice lifts your mood and helps you sleep better. You can also use your journal to track habits, reflect on your growth, or even brainstorm ideas. Meal planning is a fantastic habit for beginners, especially if you found yourself staring into the fridge, hungry and overwhelmed with no idea what to make. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals. It helps you make healthier choices and saves time during busy days. Prepare simple recipes you enjoy and don't forget to include snacks. Having healthy options ready will keep you from reaching for junk food when hunger strikes. Start by planning just 2 or 3 meals each week, and as you get more comfortable, gradually increase it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So there you have it. 7 easy to implement healthy habits that are designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Remember, even the smallest changes can lead to powerful results over time. Which habit are you most excited to try first? If you enjoyed these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical ways to live a healthier life. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite healthy habit or one you can't wait to try. Let's support and inspire each other because every great journey starts with that first step. Let's take it together.